Hi, Linda. This is Adam Needens, and this is your peer review for your presentation. Overall, I really loved your colorful backgrounds that you were able to use throughout your presentation. I also like the images and graphics that you displayed on each slide throughout, so that really enhanced the presentation in my opinion. Awesome job with all of that. It was very colorful and everything, so really attention grabbing. Nice. You made a really good analogy, I thought, as a coach versus a judge. Coaches are there to help and make you better, correct? And then your judge is saying, well, here's where you're at right now. So I thought that was a really good analogy, something I hadn't really thought of. So thank you. Your use of the Venn diagrams I thought to be helpful. Using a both category is something I didn't think about for my presentation, and I think a Venn diagram or the use of your Venn diagrams was very impactful in your presentation. You had a formal category designed by others. You're using an assessment designed by others, something maybe we don't really think about, but we're teaching to somebody else's expectation. Well, what's our expectation? Your use of interviews for students I thought was really cool. That's something I haven't really thought about yet. That's a way for them to show off, I guess, and show how they can use the information that they know. You did a nice job of showing what we can do as teachers and administrators for students' well-being. I feel like that category is a big one. In many different areas, but you had a lot of good information on that slide about how to help us out. Setting directions and having expectations, probably your leadership from top down, having those clear expectations for everybody involved within the school is something that will trickle down to student success for sure. I think I could look at myself going through your presentation and say I need to do a better job of being a leader day in, day out, maybe all day long, and then when it comes time to be that building administrator and building leader, it's my job to develop, or our job to develop, quality teachers throughout the building. Not everybody's going to be at the same level, and it's our job to enhance those teachers the best that we can to their potential. So awesome presentation, and thank you very much for your time, Linda.